guys, Grime back again with another reaction video. Today we react to Killa Killa. You see me? UK rap Grime. Yardie accent, you see me? So more than likely probably then they get a Jamaican or Jamaican descent.
No!
You see me? Cause I will do what the title says. So I check it out and see what I want. And see what I want to pick. Check it out and see what I want to feed, you see me? So begin now. Killa!
It's a long time waiting. It's been a long time coming. 5-star, more star, war star general. Presenting Killer Instinct Volume 1 to the world.
Killa.
Phenomenon one. This are dedicated to all bad man. We're here from Manchester or London. We're here from London and Brixton. Shove up on the hand. Phenomenon two. Side step on Killa man a road through. Road deep brothers and me Brixton through. You know.
Yeah man, ready Yardie. Ready Yardie.
Rush we a step on with shoe. You know what say true. Phenomenon three. Put in the ganja and take out the seed. For all of me intelligent people from the roadside we a smoke weed. Yes indeed, that's what we need. 4. One time we talk and we not talk no more. Side them boy and me kick off them door and me run out with the 4-4.
Yeah man, Yardie this man. Yardie. Straight Yardie this. Killa. 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 Killa.
Shut your mouth, someone ain't none that you coulda never said to the dawn. Only a killer, so some boy know what I'm on. Now you can't swing it, bringing it with a dawn. Arm is strong, told you from long. Man, them a gangster, man, I'm a prankster. Bad man, them know for boss gone. And the boy disrespect and then run. Shank, now go help you. When them man, you're ready for boss gone. We run the Gaza, we run. We rise the machine and park up the...
You know my thing, run the Gaza. Listen, Adi the teacher, Adi run the Gaza, bro. You see me? Adi run the Gaza, let's go easy, bro. I know you can't be a part of the Gaza to watch it. You see me?
Me and the father for murder the son. And you know them boy now no gun. Can't this killer for real, you know that no fun. You better know someone up. From longer time on.
Killa. 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 Killa.
Killer for real and I'm really not feeling them there. Pop off my gun and I'm peeling them there. And when them dead I'll believe in them there. When the back crack on cocaine I'll be dealing again, yeah. Might choose them, you'll be wheeling again, yeah. Killer man you'll be feeling again. Killer man sounds appealing again, yeah. Yeah, retaliate now, knock them there. Way back when there, give me a mistake there. 45 calico and them mag them there. Bummer wanna call this man again, then again, yeah. Pussy them want set trend. Wanna bring beef to my men. SW9 we ready for done them already done them again, then again it's. You better know someone else.
Killa. 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 But Killa, hold on, but you incriminate yourself, bro. Cause you tell everybody say you're Killa. And when the feds them come for you. Cause you know win a mask now. You tell everybody say you're Killa. 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 Alright guys, another reaction video to Killa P and the song named Killa, you see me? But when I say man a killer, if him just tell the people say I'm name real at all, but it's not like him actually a kill people. You see me? Because him actually incriminate himself if I say it, you see me? But I better sound like a yard, like an official yard, man. You see me? You can know when a British person have the accent of a Jamaican and a Yardie have the British accent differently, you see me? You hear the more Yardie, the Jamaican dialect more in them speech. So brother Yardie still, you see me? But a long time I tune I come out, that went how much year? 9 year? 9 year ago? That was 2009 or 2008. Something like that. A long time I tune I come out, you see me? But somebody request it and you see me, I just jump on it, you see me? Because I don't know about the, as I say, I learn things about the UK scene and I just see this and I just say, you know what? I react to it, you see me? But anyway guys, end of the reaction video. Peace out.